We are still at step number 8, and I thought I had all of the pieces for this step, and then I see I got to get a little photo etch piece here. It's a little ladder, A16. Well, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it'll be this little ladder right here. It looks identical almost to 17, but I've learned the hard way to take the one that it says to take, because it could be that there is a slight difference, and it will make a difference. And why not? I mean, it's just as easy to take off 16 as 17. Yeah, so we'll snip that off. But one more thing here. I was noticing, turn the page, so we got steps 9 and 10. There's still some more plastic parts, as near as I can see, that could come off yet, that should be painted, or could be painted. Mind you, there's no end to it. Well, maybe we'll just stick here on step 8 and complete step 8, and then I'll undoubtedly be constantly painting as I go along. So yeah, let's get this little part here, A16. Okay, it looks like we take the one that is to the left of the number. We've already taken 15, so there's 16. Just angle it here so I can cut it good. Okay, now this one. There we go. Now, I don't know if you can see it there, but right along the sides of the ladder where I cut it off, there's tiny little burrs, but I'm afraid that if I try to sand those off, this ladder is so delicate that I'm going to end up bending it. The parts don't get much more delicate than that. Now these larger pieces should be able to stick down pretty easy here. I have to remember I want to be able to spray them from the front and from the back. Maybe I got this a little too close here. I want to make sure it's stuck down good enough so that when the spray hits it, it's not going to knock it over. A piece like this one right here, probably can't see it, but there's a tiny little ring fastened on the top there. I've already checked the manual. This side is going to be exposed, and this side here is going to be against the ship. So yeah, I suppose it could go like that. There we go. Okay. Now we got some little really tiny pieces here. Like, whoops. Okay, like these ones here. And you know what? I think I better put another piece of tape down, get these stuck down separately. Now this piece here, see that little tiny hole there? Well, I'm kind of concerned that possibly when I painted the deck, I may have painted the little post. Well, I know I did, and that the paint may possibly on the post not allow this to slip on. But guess we'll soon know, probably tomorrow. Now this one here, it's the same sort of deal, but the hole is much bigger. Now, because this tape that I bought sticks so terribly hard, I can tell, I dropped this piece on there, and when I tried to pick it up, I almost bent it, and I hadn't even pressed it down. So I'm going to use the masking tape here, and I think I'm going to have to get a different kind of tape. The reason I moved this one is because if it was over here, I was afraid I would not be able to spray at enough of an angle to get the bottom and the top, especially the top here. This is actually going to be the top that I'm pointing at. This will be the outside, and this here would be the bottom. So that's why I moved it over here, just so I could spray it better. Before I went out to buy my double-sided tape, I went on the store's website and I confirmed that yes, they had what I wanted, but when I got there I couldn't find it. All I could find was this double-sided carpet tape. Well, from experience I knew that double-sided carpet tape stuck really, really good, so I thought, well, I guess, better too good than not good enough. But I never thought in terms of that the photo etch stuff would stick to it so hard that it would possibly bend if I try to get it off. So yeah, I'm going to have to pick up something different. In the meantime, I guess I'll have to use what's left of my green tape here, and as you see me doing. Anyway, I was really intending to paint this afternoon. However, I just don't feel like it right now, and anyway, what's the big rush, right? I'm just doing this to give me something to do. Like I said before, I'm not commissioned to build a model of the Bismarck. I'm just having fun here. And I am having fun. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.